आज हम अल्ट्रासोनिक सेंसर यूज करना सीखेंगे। सो एग्जैक्टली अल्ट्रासोनिक सेंसर करता क्या है? वेल, ये अल्ट्रासोनिक वेव्स को एमिट करता है एंड जब वो वेव्स किसी ऑब्जेक्ट से टकराकर वापस आती है तो इस प्रोसेस में जो टाइम लगा उसी टाइम को मेजर करता है एंड दिस इंफॉर्मेशन हेल्प्स अस कैलकुलेट द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम द सेंसर। आइए शुरू करते हैं। First, let's connect the ultrasonic sensor to our Arduino board. It has 4 pins: VCC, GND, trigger, and echo. VCC and GND are for power and ground connections, while trigger is for sending ultrasonic waves, and echo is for receiving them back. We will connect trigger to pin number 10 and echo to pin number 9. हमारा हार्डवेयर सेटअप तैयार है। अब हम Arduino IDE में कोड लिखेंगे। Our aim is to print the distance on serial monitor measured by the sensor. Let's write the code step by step. First, we need to define the pins to which the ultrasonic sensor is connected. Now, we'll allow the sensor pins to take input and output. In our case, we make trigger as output and echo as input. This line sends a low signal to the trigger pin of the ultrasonic sensor. It's like pressing a button to start measuring distance. We pause the program for a very short time, 2 microseconds, to ensure that the ultrasonic sensor is ready to send out a signal. Now, we send a high signal to the trigger pin of the ultrasonic sensor. It's like releasing the button we pressed earlier to send out the ultrasonic signal. We wait for a brief moment, 10 microseconds, to allow the ultrasonic signal to bounce off an object and return to the sensor. Finally, we send a low signal again to the trigger pin, indicating that we're done sending the ultrasonic signal. Here, we use the pulse-in function to measure the time it takes for the ultrasonic signal to return to the sensor. We store this time in the duration variable. Next, we calculate the distance based on the time it took for the signal to return. The formula we use is based on the speed of sound in air, approximately 0.034 centimeters per microsecond. This line prints the text distance to the serial monitor. It's like labeling the information we're about to display. Finally, we print the calculated distance to the serial monitor. This is the actual distance measured by the ultrasonic sensor. We pause the program for some time before starting the loop again. This delay ensures that we don't flood the serial monitor with too much data too quickly. और हमारा कोड तैयार है। अब हम इसे अपलोड करेंगे। और आप देख सकते हैं हमारा अल्ट्रासोनिक सेंसर काम कर रहा है. Now I have a bonus for you guys. I am going to add a simple if-else statement and integrate LEDs with it. I will give the condition that if distance will be less than 10 centimeters, then red LED will on, and if distance will be more than 10 centimeters, then green LED will on. We can make a parking guide system for vehicles with it easily. You can let me know in the comments that हम इसे कैसे vehicle parking में implement कर सकते हैं, और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं कार parking guidance system पे एक अलग से detailed video बनाऊं, तो आप वो भी बता सकते हैं. That's all for today, classmates. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such tutorials. Until next time, happy tinkering.